All right, welcome traders. Make sure you pause the video and read this risk warning. Right, so today I'm just doing something for beginners, forex trading for beginners. First video that I'm going to do here is the what, the why, and how to trade forex. So if you want to know about forex, what is forex trading? Basically, it's speculative trading. It's where you make a bet, I can say, if price will go up or if price will go down. So if you want price to go up, you basically want to buy an asset, a pair, anything when it is low, and then sell it back when it is high, or sell it when it is high and buy it back when it's low. If you can know how to do that, you repeat that process, you will be making money. And this is what trading is all about, contract for difference. Okay, so why forex trading? The main reason is high leverage, guys, because with leverage you can have $100 in an account and control up to $10,000. So this is why everyone is so much into contract for difference trading, which is also mainly forex trading. It's easily accessible. Anyone can trade. You don't need a license, you don't need a qualification. I'm going to show you what you need and you can just get trading. This is why everyone is into trading. So in as much as it's good, it seems like easy money, right? Anyone can just get in, click a button and make money. Okay, who can trade? I'm gonna come back to this point on easy money, guys. I'm just gonna explain. Everyone thinks it's easy money. Who can trade? Like I said to you, anyone. Can you believe it? In this life, for you to drive a car on a road, you need a driver's license. To do so many other things, you need a qualification. To teach, you need a qualification. To do many things, you need qualifications. But to trade, anyone who can open an account with a broker and make a deposit in that account can trade. Sounds very easy. What do you need to trade? You just need a device which can access your account and the software needed to trade, and that is a laptop, PC, tablet, or phone. Okay, back in the day they used to do everything manually, make a phone call to a broker, but now just with internet connection. And it doesn't need to be a 24/7 internet connection, guys. Just when you want to access your account, have the internet, place trades. Once your trade is placed, you can't change it until you have the internet on. Okay, and of course you need money in that account and you can trade, right? How long does it take to learn? I can teach you in 10 to 15 minutes how to place a trade, but not everything about trading. Let me make it clear. Really, 10 to 15 minutes, yes, to place a trade. That's just about pressing buy or sell, or when to buy, when to sell. Even 5 minutes, I can show you that, right? Sounds like easy money, right? No, let me tell you the truth, right? Easy money in 10 to 15 minutes. What I've learned in trading over about 6 years, that's from 2018. Trading is the most difficult, easiest way to make money. Yep, you got to know the dangers of the trading industry. I've done another video. Hopefully by the time you watch this video, I'll put that video up on the dangers of trading and the trading industry. So why this is not spoken of a lot is because many of the people in the industry are using those things to manipulate people. So make sure you watch that if you are a retail trader and you want to avoid those traps. Make sure you watch that video, guys. My honest opinion, you need 3 solid months learning and on the charts to get a feel, to get an understanding. And I'm talking of putting good time in, with the course I've developed. 3 months, that's if you're really going to be sharp and you're really going to be doing what needs to be done, checking up, doing the research that I'll give you. And within 3 months, I will say you will have an understanding of the charts. Now that's the beginning, because learning how to trade and all the technicals and fundamentals of how the thing works, you can learn that in a pretty short time. Of course, you'll still perfect yourself over time, but mainly trading, guys, I tell you, it's all about you. I've proven it here. You can watch the video where I did the coin toss strategy just by tossing a coin, and I proved that you can make money. So trading is really such an emotional, psychological thing. That's what it's more about than it is about strategies and all that. But of course, strategy and that does play a big role. But you have to know yourself. Know yourself. That's what I'll tell you in the brief thing before you even start now, or even if you've been trading for a while. You have to know you, and that's what will get you further in this trading thing. So make sure you watch that video on knowing the dangers of trading. So I've got a lot of free tools on the website, marketwisetraders.blogspot.com. To access those, just make sure you sign up. There's nothing, I'm just giving this stuff to you to use so that you can learn. If you want to get access to my trading course level 1, depending on when you sign up, you'll get access to the full level 1 if you can just sign up with one of my links below to a broker and of course fund that account. And then from there, at least after doing that first level where I teach some very simple trading strategies and the theory of trading, I'm pretty sure you'll be able to do something solid. If you want to go further, of course, I go further in detail in the course. All right, there's nothing easy about this. You have to put the work in, you have to put the time in. There's nothing which is just gonna come so easy. You have to know yourself, and I'm here to help. So hopefully you will make it in your trading career. Happy trading, guys. This helped you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with someone else. Okay, thanks for watching.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.